Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to split a PDF file into multiple smaller files. For example, if you have a PDF document and want to extract specific pages or divide it into multiple parts, this guide is for you. To accomplish this, we'll use a free online tool called I Love PDF. Start by opening any web browser and searching for I Love PDF. Once you access the website, you'll find a variety of PDF editing options. Look for the Split PDF button on the homepage and click on it. Next, upload the PDF file you want to split. Once the file is uploaded, you'll see several options to customize the splitting process. The tool can automatically detect merged PDF sections if applicable. If that doesn't work, you can manually define a custom range of pages to separate. For instance, if you set the range from pages 1 to 1, this creates one file, while pages 2 to 5 become a separate file. You can add multiple ranges if you need to create additional PDFs. For example, one range could be page 1, and another could include pages 2 through 5. The tool also offers an option to split each page into a separate PDF, but for this tutorial, we'll stick with custom ranges. Once you've defined your ranges, there's an optional feature to merge all ranges back into a single PDF. However, since we're creating separate files, we'll skip this option. After finalizing your settings, click on the Split PDF button. The tool will process your file and generate a zip folder containing the separate PDFs. Download the folder and extract its contents to view the files. Each file will reflect the ranges you selected. For example, one file might contain only the first page, while another includes pages 2 through 5. And that's it. You've successfully split a PDF file into multiple smaller files. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.